Welcome to this video about my Stihl 064 chainsaw. It's a mixed bag of clips that I have from some tree cutting that we've done during the year. So this thing I bought, it looked like this, old and dirty, so I tore it down and rebuilt it since some of the membranes and seals and bearings and stuff were worn. So it's completely rebuilt, a little bit tuned with a cleared out muffler, but otherwise stock. It runs a little rich in this video, but enjoy. So what you saw me cut here is cured elm. So the elm is actually dead. Elm is a hardwood, very beautiful dark wood, especially with some oil on it. I'm using a chisel full house, 24-inch Samura bar, and maybe a little bit too hungry for this tree, but yeah, it cut okay. Preferably, you probably want a skip, cutting this hardwood and a little bit more reserved filing, but it worked out. So this tree will be sent to a local sawmill and made into boards that are gonna clad the entrance hall in my parents' house. So this is filmed last year. And as you can see, the ground was a little bit soft after the snow had melted. But with some jiggling, we managed to get the log out. It's dry, but it's still very, very heavy because this type of wood is super dense. Here you can see the graining, and it's gonna look beautiful with some oil on it. So we're gonna put this log down, and in the next clip, we're gonna cut huge birch that had fallen over in an autumn storm. So we wanted to save that and make some paneling out of that as well. In this clip you can hear I've leaned out the saw a little bit, so it runs a bit stronger, but it's not there yet. It's still being broken in, so it's still rich. The reason for making the first cut so far from the root is that there's stones and sand in the birch wood at the base of the tree, so I wanted to make that cut the last one, and also for safety reasons. So the elm boards are gonna be cladding the house walls, while the birch is gonna be made into sauna cladding, among other stuff. So I'll make a video about the finished boards later. Thank you for watching.